Hey all, welcome back to the channel, 18 Crosstrek Man, and today we are going to be installing the OffGrid cargo basket by Yakima. Unfortunately, the first one that came from Amazon had a manufacturing issue. They sent me new hardware, but it still didn't work. So with their great customer service, I just received the other one today. So let's go ahead and try to get that on, and I'll show you a video of how to put it together. So I just opened the box, and here is the content. You got your two pieces for the basket, and this is the medium size. You got the hardware kit and the two, I don't know what they're called exactly, but they're the pieces that will, I guess, make the end of the basket there. And then you can do your attachments and you can adjust them and everything. That's the whole point of the off-grid basket. It's the adjustability and then the fairing there. So let's take instructions here. These are both inserts. So if you look closely, the basket is flipped upside down, and I did do it correct on the first side. If you look closely at that piece. So this is, once it focuses, this is the correct way. This is the incorrect way. So let's go ahead and flip this piece. Insert it in. Let's go ahead and do the couplers. So 1, 2. Match up the shape. Let's go ahead and just slide it right in. There we go, that side is in. And then let's go ahead and get the other side. Match it up. And it should be this way. Slide this guy in. Perfect. And going back to our directions. A, B, done. Now join the other side and install the inserts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then flip the basket right up, and then install the coupler hardware, and then tighten all hardware fully. Okay, so unscrew that piece there, and this piece would go from the bottom, and then this piece would go from the top. So let's go ahead and try that out. So this piece goes just, oops, in the wrong way. This piece just goes right in, nice, and let's go ahead and actually just do all 4 sides real quick, and then we'll do the bottom. Alrighty, so 1 done, 2, nice. Let's go this side. 3 and 4. Right, so now I'm just gonna get the 2 pieces. I'm gonna have to put my phone down, and this piece will go from the bottom hole, and they'll tighten together. Alright, so it's nice and tight. Got both sides all tightened up. So now I'm just gonna need to flip the basket over and tighten the inserts. And one side, I wasn't able to tighten it down because it didn't fit those pieces. So that's what happened with my first basket and why I'm actually sending it back. Anyhow, so far so good on this basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and get those inserts tightened down. Alright, so those 2 there are tightened down, and those 2 there are tightened down. So our 2 pieces are fully put together. So you got the coupler, you got 2 pieces, the other coupler, 2 pieces, your 2 inserts, 2 pieces, 2 screws, and once it's all tightened down, you are good to go in the basket. Alright, so I opened up the fairing, the hardware for the fairing, and let's see, let's go to step 2 here. So move the protective film from the fairing, so you see that guy right there. There we go. And that is done. Alright, nice and fresh. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your 4 clips, and they look like this, and one of these clips. This piece, this tab, will go on the back side of it. So if, let's see, yeah, I can do it with one hand, like that. Just like that, and then you'll put one of these clips through. Alright, so I just did one, and it's gonna look just like that. So I'll give you a better picture, so if you're wondering, you're trying to install it, this is the front, and the clip goes through the hole like that, tab is in the back, and that is the direction of how the clip should be. So I'm gonna do the rest of them. Okay, so you got your 4 clips on, just like that. And if I put the fairing up, you can see the tab piece is in the back. And that's the way it should go. Front, back of fairing, and tab piece in the back. Those are the directions of the clips. Your clips just come through the front, just like that. Okay, so the top right clips, the pin goes through the front, and you got these like tube things. You're just gonna connect it to the rod here, and then it'll look like that. So that's your front, or this is your top piece. You clip just like that. So now I got them all attached. Alrighty, so this bigger piece is the front side, the smaller piece is the rear, and I am just gonna put the fairing and attach it to the front side there. So let's go ahead and do that now. So when you do the fairing, you put the clips around and then make sure it looks like kind of like a sandwich, that it's biting between. You'll hear a clip. That's how you know it's fully on. Not just putting it around is not actually locking it down. You gotta do that. Just FYI. After I showed you that little clipping piece, putting it around, you just put it around and then clip it, and you actually hear a clip. It looks like that, and you can see it's nice and sturdy. I'm just pressing it to show you that it's on there. And I am installing the locks, additional lock accessories. So just use the flat key that you get and just that. See, it pops up, comes right out that piece. And then you're actually supposed to stick this flat key into the locking core. And this hole right here that you can see lines up down there with that one. So you could just put it in. It says use the front one. Actually went right in, so bam, just like that. Then you go ahead and do it again. So there's four of them, so you're gonna need 4 for the off-grid, what do you call it? The off-grid basket. It says to use the flat key to line it, get it in, but super simple. Just save these pieces. Alright, so thank you for watching me install the Yakima OffGrid basket, and unfortunately I couldn't do the spare tire carrier. I had a manufacturing defect as well, so a little disappointing, the basket and then the spare tire carrier mount had some defects, but they do have really good customer service. You could call them, you could email them, whatever it is, and they don't give you a hassle at all, and they easily just send you a return label if they want you to send it back, and they'll ship you a new product. The basket they did want back, so I sent that back, but the spare tire carrier they're not asking for it back, so I'm just gonna keep it. But anyhow, I do highly recommend their products because they're still really good quality. Just unfortunately some of the manufacturing defects. It does seem like maybe Amazon, I don't know, the batch they got, this is where I bought all my products, had some issues, but directly from Yakima, haven't had any issues. At least with the basket, it was perfect. So we'll see what happens when I get the spare tire carrier. But anyhow, just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.